bag, of which we provide for those who wish to purchase it. It is a 10 mil plastic bag, heavy duty bag that has a flat top to it. The way to open it up easily is just get some air in it. As you can see, with all the wind, it has a flat top. We simply take this, slide it into the water heater. Normally you're inside the house, you don't have to fight 20-mile-an-hour winds. Bring it all the way down. Flue pipe, which has carbon dust and other things that can come out of it, especially as you're going up the stairs. Nobody wants to breathe that. You can imagine you're on this side of the water heater with a two-wheel dolly. Every time you're bouncing up the stair, that carbon dust is coming out of this pipe because the burner down the outside of the chamber is a metal tube and it bounces with every impact on the stairs. So it's almost like it's a springboard to send carbon dust up through here. So for those who want to avoid that, you have the way to do it. Simply take this bag, and you make sure you bring it all the way to the bottom, all the way around, so that you have full encapsulation. Then you do the same as you did before. You simply run the strap through the two loops, the side retaining loop, and tighten. The tighter you pull it, the better. From there, you would simply put the water heater on the dolly, same as before. You roll the dolly up behind it, you tilt the water heater forward, slide the L bracket up under the bucket, and secure. Thank you.